All right, we are going to utilize the Alpaca Markets API to place a good till canceled by trailing stop order. So we're going to go ahead and do it for PepsiCo. Ticker symbol is PEP, trading at $176. Right now the market is open, so that's going to fluctuate a little bit. First thing we want to do is come over to the API documentation and head over to the reference here so that we can start to create the order. So we're doing it in Python. If it's on any of these other ones, just make sure you click Python. If you don't have your key and secret key already in here, you can come to your dashboard and you can click regenerate new keys, and go ahead and grab those. If you have these keys stored in code somewhere else, just know that you'll have to update those keys. So we'll paste that in there. It's going to automatically update in this request. Like I said, we're going to do for PepsiCo, we'll do 10 shares. We're going to do a buy, and it's going to be a trailing stop and good till canceled, right? So then the last thing we need to do is set that trailing stop, whether we are doing a price or a percentage. Currently, it's trading at, like I said, 176.25. We're going to do this at, we're going to use a price, so $5 above what it's currently trading at, and then we should be able to copy this and come over to a Jupyter notebook and paste that in there. I always like to import JSON and change this print to json.load because then the return message is easier to read. So we will shift enter to run this, and you can see for PepsiCo, quantity is 10. It's a trailing stop. The stop price is going to be $5 above where we originally placed this order at. So it was at 176.35. So the stop price is 181.35. If you don't understand this, essentially what this means is if we get to 181.35, then it's going to execute these 10 as a stop order, a stop buy order. If for whatever reason the price falls, it's going to come down. So if the price came down to 175 right now, this stop price is going to move down to 180. Now, if price then rose and continued to rise, then it would get to that 180 mark and execute. If it kept going down, say it came down to 170, then the stop price is going to come down to 170. Now, the stop price is never going to rise. It would only fall if the price falls. And it's going to be within $5 of the lowest price that it hits once that order has been placed, and then it will execute once it comes back up to that stop price. So we can come over to our dashboard. The price is still 176.40, currently going up, not going down. This order it's a trailing stop buy, hasn't been placed yet because we haven't hit that, but that is how you would do a good till canceled. So this isn't just for the day. It's going to stay this way until you cancel it yourself or until it executes. For PepsiCo, the trailing stop order on Alpaca Markets utilizing Python.